Hello, everyone. Today we'll explore the trade like a pro-binary options strategy, or TLAP for short. It reflects the well-known smart money concept. This trading approach is based on analyzing the actions of large institutional players who essentially shape today's financial market. The main idea is to follow this smart money when trading binary options. In this review, we'll explain how to do this in practice. First, let's install TLAP in the MetaTrader 5 terminal. Please note that the indicators for this strategy were developed specifically for MetaTrader 5. All of them, along with the template containing all settings, are installed using the standard method. You'll find the link to the indicator archive in the description below this video. Now let's examine the operating principles and the key settings of this strategy. The smart money concept is quite complex and extensive, so it cannot be fully covered in just a single review. For this reason, we'll focus on the elements that are directly used in binary options trading. First, let's take a look at the acronyms that represent the key elements of market structure analysis. They form the basic framework of price movement and help show who currently controls the market, buyers or sellers. As we know, in a bullish trend, prices consistently form higher highs and higher lows, while in a bearish trend, lower lows and lower highs appear. The next important structural element is the acronym CHOCH, which stands for Change of Character. This is the first clear sign of a possible trend reversal. It alerts traders to a shift in overall market power. A CHOCH appears when the fundamental rule of the current trend is violated. For example, in a bullish market, the price breaks below the most recent significant low. This breakout is defined as a CHOCH. While it does not guarantee an immediate market reversal, it serves as an important early signal that buyers are starting to lose control. After this marker appears, traders using the SMC concept stop actively looking for call opportunities and begin considering potential setups for put options. A BOS, or break of structure, is a signal that confirms continuation of the current trend. When the price is in an uptrend and confidently breaks through the previous high, this move is identified as a BOS. This breakout clearly indicates that buyers remain strong and intend to push the price even further upward. In a downtrend, a break of structure forms when the price breaks through the previous low, confirming the strength and control of sellers. In this way, each new BOS mark in the direction of the main trend further strengthens the trader's confidence that the dominant side still remains in control of the market. And if we put everything together, market behavior forms a clear structure. First, a trend is formed, confirmed by a series of BOS. Then a CHOCH appears, which breaks this sequence and signals a potential reversal. If after the change of character, the price truly reverses and begins forming structure in the new direction, then the breaks in that direction are already considered new BOS, confirming the change trend. As you might guess, the trading signal to open call options is the first BOS break in the direction of the new trend after the trend change. As shown on the screen, after a false breakout to the downside, the EUR-USD currency pair reversed, forming a bullish CHOCH. Then, after a short consolidation, the euro continued to strengthen against the US dollar and broke the local high, forming the first bullish BOS. This is the optimal moment to open a call option, as we are facing a trend that is gaining strength and has confirmed its direction with 2 consecutive breakouts of local highs. As for put options, they should be opened in a similar situation, but in reverse. You need to wait for the appearance of the first bearish CHOCH, followed by a bearish BOS. As soon as you see this pattern, you can confidently open put options, as we are witnessing a reversal of the bullish market that has confirmed its intention to move downward after the first break of structure in this direction. Now let's say a few words about the settings of trade like a pro-smart money concepts. This indicator has many parameters. The main ones are highlighted on the screen. Here you can adjust the color and display type of structural market elements, order blocks, imbalances, and much more, which allows you to identify market patterns more accurately. And now let's look at the rules for trading binary options using this strategy. Trades with this professional system should be opened at the very beginning of a new trend, in what is considered the safest part of the price movement. To do this, you need to wait for the first change of character in market structure, followed shortly by a break of structure. Once you see this specific combination of markers on the chart of the traded asset, you should open a call option if the BOS is bullish and a put option if the BOS is bearish. So, to open a call option, first, wait for a green change of character. Second, wait for a green BOS to appear. And third, open a call option at the opening of the next candle. To open a put option, first, wait for a red change of character. Second, wait for a red BOS to appear. And third, open a put option at the opening of the next candle. We recommend setting the expiration time to 3 candles, but the optimal holding period depends on the specific asset and should be determined by you based on the results of backtesting. This approach will help adapt the strategy to the specifics of the chosen instrument and improve its effectiveness. Now, a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this strategy. According to our observations, this system works most effectively on time frames of M15 and higher. Using shorter time frames may reduce the stability of results, so their use is not recommended. Detailed information about the SMC methodology can be found on specialized websites dedicated to trading and technical analysis. The advantages of this system include the fact that it is not just a set of rules, but an entire philosophy, an attempt to read the market through the actions of large players. Unlike indicator-based strategies, TLAP forces the trader to think about the reasons behind price movement. Thanks to it, the trader stops seeing chaos in the market and begins to notice logic in price behavior. This strategy is universal and can be applied to any market and time frame, as it is based on pure price movement, price action. Among the disadvantages, it is worth noting the need to learn new concepts, BOS and CHOCH. Mastering the strategy requires time and practice in order to learn how to accurately recognize the formations needed to open trades. Overall, the trade-like pro binary option strategy is a powerful tool in the hands of a patient and disciplined trader. It provides a deep understanding of the market that is usually unavailable when using other approaches. This system takes time to learn and does not forgive impatience. However, by dedicating enough attention to mastering the smart money concept, a trader will be able to look at binary options trading in a completely new way. And remember, any strategy or indicator is just a tool that you need to learn how to use properly. Be sure to test and verify the indicator on a demo account and historical data, while also following proper risk and capital management rules. And always choose only trusted brokers, which you can find on our website in our regularly updated rating. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website and you will always stay up to date with the latest news from the world of binary options trading, cryptocurrency, and the Forex market. Thank you for watching. We wish everyone good profits and safe trading.